What's up, buddies? Today I'm going back to the essentials. I will explain which attributes describe a good landing page experience. Let's rock and roll. I'm Jay Webski, your digital marketing buddy. YouTube is always a premier channel for my content. Subscribe to my channel to get notified about every new episode, which is coming out weekly. Now, back on track. To make a good landing page experience, your page should be easy to navigate, have original and relevant content, be transparent about your business. This is crucial for two reasons. Your audience must get the most value from what you offer and show them. Number two, Google Ads, if you run them, to get a higher quality score from Google. Let me explain each of the rules in detail. Rule number one, make your landing page easy to navigate. Visitors should be able to quickly and easily get the information they are looking for, without the need to navigate through multiple links or scan a lot of text. Use sections to structure your content and proper text formatting to make it easier for your visitors to find information. The layout should be clean and concise. Minimalism is the key, but make it look good and high quality. This should also work out for another super important aspect, which is the speed of the page and how fast it loads on both desktop and mobile devices. Use tools such as Google PageSpeed Insights or Metrix to check your page and detect things that need to be improved. Usually, most problems are caused by too big images or too many scripts, which are not always needed. This is a long story, so probably I will create another episode about it. Subscribe not to miss it. Rule number two. To provide a good landing page experience, the page should have original and relevant content. The content needs to be well written, free of errors, and personalized to the specific needs of the readers. Most importantly, it should be directly related to the products or services being offered. But you should not glorify features of your product or service, but underline the benefits that your customer will gain from using it. What problem will it solve, or what improvement will they get? How it will change their lives? This should be communicated on your landing page. Be persuasive, but not too pushy. You should also take care of the message match. If you stated something in the first contact message, so the ad or the link that brought the visitor to your landing page, you should continue this on the page. So most likely in the headline, which is the first thing a visitor will read after entering the page. Rule number three. Be transparent about your business. Make the page look and feel to match your brand's visual identity. Visitors should have a clear understanding of the company's offerings and what they can expect from the product or service. The value proposition should be prominently displayed and communicated in a way that aligns with the visitor's needs. Social proof, such as customers' testimonials, can be a beneficial element on the landing page, as it helps to build trust and credibility. Testimonials from satisfied customers can reassure potential customers that they are making the right decision. Incorporating statistics and data can also help to establish trust, as it shows that the company is transparent. The rules I've mentioned and recommend to follow should create a good landing page experience for your customers. If you like it, thumbs up are highly appreciated. Don't forget also to subscribe to my channel. Tell me also if you like the videos I create or not in the comments. Thanks for watching and listening, and see you in the next episode.